it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. I haven't seen you guys in forever. So it is raining outside. There's literally like a basketball floating down the street. That's how like heavy the rains are here. So I'm staying inside. I'm doing DIYs today and we're just gonna have a good time. So if you want to see more DIYs, make sure you subscribe so that you guys can see everything I'm gonna be making today. And then let me show you. I had a beauty and we got together and did some crafting, and her name is Pam. And you guys, look what we created. How cool is that? Is that just nifty? So I don't need a bunch of these. I only like just the one, but I'm gonna show you how I did it, or how we did it. And I'm just gonna make a smaller version for you. But check this out. I'll tell you what it's all made of. And okay, I was gonna say I may make another one, but I don't have all the pieces and I don't need another one, so I'm gonna make a small version for you. But just so you know, what we made is we took the two of these mirrored frames, and then one of the 8x10 frames from the Dollar Tree. And then we took the bottom part and we cut it, and I'll show you on the smaller one that we're gonna make. And we literally just placed it all together. We put some beads down at the bottom, and I cannot wait to show you the smaller version of this, because I've got also this lovely little bird that I had bought at Target that I want to kind of make into a another little like piece. So let me show you what I got. I got two of the mirrors, the square mirrors, and Pam had brought those over because we were just gonna craft. So I also have some adhesive diamond wrap. If you saw my Dollar Tree shop with me, you saw I found those. And then also one of these magnifying glasses. So I also have with me tape, just painter's tape, some Fix-All or E6000, a glue gun, and some scissors. And everything is gonna just come together rather nicely. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna point this straight down so that you can see what's going on here. First things first, it all depends, let me move this so you could see a little bit better. It all depends on the angle of those mirrors. So if we did a wide angle, it's not really gonna have any, it's gonna just make the three. But as we pull them closer together, you could see more and more coming in there. So let's go ahead, and what we're gonna do is, first things first, we're gonna angle this to where I want that little bird in here. And I think that is a good angle. No real rhyme or reason to what we're doing, but since I have this little grid, I'm just gonna use it to know kind of the angle that I want there. And so I'm going to put this down, and we're going to put some of the Fix-All or E6000 here, right on the side. And then that takes a little while to dry, so I'm going to then, I don't know if you can hear the rain. It is crazy out there. Then I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to put this on here as well. And I'm going to not go in the same place that I have the large amounts of Fix-All. Okay. So now that we've got that, we're going to, oh, where did I go there? Oh, there we go. I'm going to push these two together. And then I'm just going to take some painter's tape just to hold it in place. Now, it was really good working with the two of us together because that kind of stuff happens. And you want to be able to move this around. So, once I have that kind of in the shape that I want, I'm going to grab this because I didn't have the backing. We ended up using the backing for the picture frame as the part that I'm going to be showing you right now. But I could probably use the backing of that picture frame and not this magnifying glass. But we're just letting that, there we go. Then I'm going to take this guy, I'm going to very carefully move him. I'm going to outline just with a pen. I hope that came out right. Moving that very carefully. It did come out right. So I'm going to take just some scissors here. Now I use these big handy scissors for everything. And I'm going to cut. And I'm going to cut again. So now I have that shape that I'm looking for. I'm going to take the adhesive. Just cut this right open. I just love this diamond wrap. But you could put a little candle if you want. I just want to put this cute little bird in there. And so we're going to take the same shape now that we already have it. And we're going to cut that as well so that it matches up nicely. All right, now that that's all cut, now let me tell you, you guys, I have to look at you with this. On those are all individual. We literally went through and glued every single little gem onto that board. This is just the diamond wrap. And we made two. She made one and I made one. So it's just a fun little reminder of our time hanging out together. But this is going to be really super simple and easy. And I want to make sure that I got this lined up correctly. I'm going to put this right down. See, we got to make sure that it's turned the right way. Okay, it is. There we go. And we're just going to lay that down on there, and now we've got that piece. Oh my gosh, how much simpler was that? But we didn't have this, so we're okay. Then, this still isn't dry because of the E6000, but I'm going to take my hot glue, and I'm going to put my hot glue right on the edge here, and then again right on the edge here, we're going to take this and we're going to line it up just perfectly. And then once this is all lined up, this is going to keep this lined up as well. You guys, that was it. And then if you were doing the larger version, everything is the same. And then you'll take this piece and you'll glue it onto here. So when you do this one, make sure you do the angle to line up with this here. So, and then there's this. Let me show you. Look at how cute that is. And then that sticks just in a corner and it is super adorable. And then you put whatever you'd like on there. I'm going to use my little bird because I just think he is so cute. And look at how cute that is. Isn't that so cute? But you could put a little candle in there. You can put a little figurine set in there. Just this makes such a wonderful little display. And look at how cool that looks. That just looks really neat. So I hope you like it. It's a quick, simple DIY. This one is also a simple DIY. Not as quick, but it could be. But we were learning how to do this together. And I had a wonderful little play date. So you guys, I'm going to be doing more DIYs today because I'm in the mood to do some DIYs. So I'm glad to be back here with you guys doing these. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you share these, you guys, so everybody can see them. It really helps my channel. And I'll talk to you later. Bye!